Auto Alarm Specialist.
Okay, this is an Infinity Q50. Basically what happened is they first stuck a screwdriver here, they scratched this right here, they got tired of this trying to pry it that way, and they went ahead and just busted the window. And they stole the airbags out of the car. So basically what we did, we added a shock sensor to the factory alarm. So if anybody walks up and they try to bust out the keyhole, or they try to bust out the glass, the alarm will fire off. That will disable the alarm system. If they try to bust out the keyhole, that will fire it off. Basically, you know, there was no. He had a factory alarm. We just did the upgrade on it. There's no need to add another alarm and have him carry another remote control around. This is the keyless to go, and the kind you walk up and just open the door. So the best thing to do is just add to what he already has, which is the factory alarm. When you buy these cars, they do not come with any type of sensor. You can literally destroy this whole car from bumper to bumper, take the rims, and nothing's going to happen, and only if the door is open. Everybody knows that, so they're not going to open the door. They're going to break the window, jump in, and do what they got to do, or leave the car in full brakes and take the rims and tires. So if they try to bust out the keyhole, will fire off. Shut it off by hitting unlock. And this is it. This is a nice add-on. Whoever has these Infinity Q50 and you want to upgrade the alarm system that you already have, the factory, give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist. And yes, we do have free mobile service. You can get this done at your home or your office. We appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.